Hi guys! Are you wearing something green? I'm wearing a green t-shirt. Let's go to the forest. We can make binoculars to explore the forest. It's very easy. We need 2 toilet paper rolls, crayons or markers, and sticky tape. Step 1. Stick the paper rolls together with sticky tape. Oops. One, two. Very good. Now, let's color our binoculars. I'm gonna use crayons. Green crayon and red crayon for the plants. I'm gonna color the sticky tape green. Nice. The other one is red for the flowers. Now I'm gonna make a beautiful plant in the middle with green. And a flower on the other side. Many circles make a flower. You can color any way you like. Then, take a picture and send it to us, okay? Bye!